What's up everyone, John Corderelli here coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build up the rig from the previous video. And after that I'll be running a vlog test with the rig in which I'll be explaining the giveaway instructions more specifically today on the Northern Creative. Okay, so I have all the components here. So first I start with the tripod and the tripod mount. And I just mount that on like so. And you have to tighten this a little bit so that it sticks a lot better. And as you can see, the legs extend, so you can do that. And this head is a little bit loose, so you might have to try a little bit harder to tighten it. Then you take the case. I don't have the phone in here right now because I'm using that to record, but I'll be using the case for now. So I loosen this screw on top here, slide that in there, tighten that back up. See, now that's in. So I take the microphone, which usually won't have the cable on it, and I push it in as far as I could. And because of this, because of how wide this is and the screw here, that will be getting in the way. So I go as far as I can. And it doesn't go all the way, but it still works. And I tighten it as far as I can. And the microphone comes with these two cables. This one's for mirrorless camera or DSLR. And this one's for mobile phone, a smartphone. And as you can see, the ends are different. This one has the 3 rings on it. And that's so that you can adapt that's so you can hook up a microphone to a smartphone, which can only take headphone ends. So I'll connect that on there. And I'll wind it up around the bottom. And because I have an iPhone, I need this cable with the iPhone end. And I'll connect that to the microphone cable. Put it in there. And that's it. Now you have your own vlogging setup. Now the microphone comes with the dead cat, which is for outside and when it's windy, and the extra cable. And that's about all I have for this vlogging setup. And that's the smartphone video setup. I'll take this out now and run a vlog test. So I'll see you all out there. And this is a test with the rig. I can't say that I'd see myself using it. Not that I don't like the setup. I just wouldn't be able to do any vlogs. I'd never have anything to say. My mind would always go blank and I would always be getting tongue-tied. It's like being put on the spot, so. And for me, that's just the worst. But here I am trying it out. Do I recommend it for vloggers? Yes, it works really well. It's a good starter kit. It feels comfortable. I looked at footage that I recorded with the mic and I'd say that it sounds a lot better. So if you do want to purchase your own kit, I will post affiliate links below. These links will lead you to the pages for each component on Amazon. And if you're to purchase these, it'll help support the YouTube channel. It won't come as any extra cost to you. I will just be getting a commission, which is a small percentage of each payment that is made to each component. So if you could do that, I would appreciate it very much. So here are the more specific instructions. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, visit my Instagram, which I will post a link to below, and you can follow me on there too. And after you've done all that, comment done on my latest photo, or let me know what you would like to do with the rig if you win. And comment on the photo in my Instagram, not on my not on my YouTube video or my Facebook page or anything. That's about all I have for this video. You can like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, if you like the content. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.